How do you know when to adopt a new innovation or technology? This question is problematic and is determined in part by the culture of the organisation and in part by the attitudes of the user community that it services. In a widely referenced quote, William Gibson said, "The future is already here, it is just unevenly distributed." My take on this quote is that a lot of the technologies that are going to appear over the next 2 to 5 years already exist in the research labs of today. The images shown on this slide depict on the left a characterization of a scene from the film Minority Report, where the lead character is manipulating 3D holographic information display. And on the right we have a multi-touch screen being displayed at a trade fair sometime last year. When we look at the attitudes of the users or of the organisation itself, we see that there are different stages at which the organisation or the user might adopt a technology. The innovators get on board very quickly, but they're a relatively small population. The early adopters build the hype around the product. And again, they're still quite insignificant in terms of the general size of the population. The early majority buy into the technology in large numbers and bring it up to quite a mature state, and then the late majority get on board, followed by the laggards, the people who are the last to buy the technology when everybody else has got it. In the institution, it might be that there are several user types. In the library sector, there are different users, very notably undergraduate students, researchers, the academics, whether they're working for research or teaching, visiting scholars and visitors to specialist and archival collections, which is particularly true in the case of Cambridge libraries. Now, each of these user types might actually have a different profile on the adoption curve. So, for example, some of the undergraduates may well be early adopters. It might be that the majority of academics are late majority or laggards in a technology sense. So deciding which technologies you're going to adopt and which audience you're going to concentrate your attention on in trying to promote the use of those technologies or promote those innovations will depend in part on the attitudes of the particular user group you want to focus on.